YouTube, what is up? It's your boy back again, Just man, I just so basically quick little video. My intro gonna be quick and simple. I am adding threads to a pipe that is threadless. So the tools I'm using is basically some rubber cement, the Oakley set, the cement, the primer, and I am using a Marvel connector, which is basically threads with a little extra space where you could glue on to a pipe. So enough jaw jacking, let's get it. Okay, the two products I'm gonna use right here, purple primer and rubber cement, both by Oakley. We're gonna go ahead and get it nice and wet. There we go. Okay. Then we're gonna also hit the piece you're mating to, which is this apparatus right here. Alrighty. Now they're both good to go. Okay, after adding this little bit of primer there, I'm going to add it to my Marvel connector. Oh, wait, inside. That's right. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to add a little rubber cement. Personally, I like to be healthy with it. Oh, wait. Well, how am I doing it? I'm bugging, guys. It goes on the inside. There we go. And I'm going to put it about halfway. Matter of fact, just to play it safe. There we go. There. Now I'm going to let that sit for about 2 hours before I start adding the rest of the pipes in. Alright, it's been 4 hours. I've already inserted the piece I'm adding. This is basically an extension piece to add to the second part of the sink. But there it is. That's how you add threads to a non-threaded pipe. You never know when you need to do something like this for an extension, a custom cut. But thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.